Dr. Daniel McKenna is a pediatric cardiologist and the medical director of Pediatric Cardiology at Driscoll Children's Hospital. As a pediatric cardiologist, Dr. McKenna specializes in diagnosing and treating heart problems in children.
We care for people with heart problems. You know, whether they're a fetus, a brand new baby, a little kid, a big kid, or an older person, you know, or an adult that has had something wrong with their heart since they were a brand new baby.
Dr. McKenna grew up in Western New York, in the Buffalo area. He stayed in New York all the way through medical school.
I went to medical school at the University of Buffalo. I did residency there as well in pediatrics. And after that, went for cardiology fellowship in Pittsburgh.
For Dr. McKenna, making a positive impact is what's important to him.
And when you get to do things that are impactful, we change people's lives here. You know, a baby that's very sick, we can make them a lot better.
Having a child with a heart condition is never easy, and Dr. McKenna never wants a family to feel like they don't have answers.
It's nice to have a good, quick answer, and that they can come here. Okay, we have everything you need. You know, we care about our results. We care about every baby that comes through here and every family, and we have the right people to take care of them.
Dr. McKenna would like to share some advice to the future generation.
Make sure as you're looking towards the future, you find something you like to do. And then it makes it a lot easier to go into work and enjoy every day.